If you are a developer, data engineer, or an AI tinkerer, chances are you have faced this nightmare before. You find a fancy open source model, spin up a server, and debug Docker containers, fight the dependency hell, but by the time you're done, your motivation is lower than your GPU's idle temperature. If you have spent any time in the local LLM space, you are almost certainly familiar with the hardware ceiling. The most interesting open source models keep getting bigger and powerful, and the gap between what's published on Hugging Face and what you can actually load into your home computer has generally been growing. Surely you can download a 230 billion parameter mixture of experts model for free, but it's not free to run them. In order to run them, you need a powerful workstation that costs as much as a new car. That's where Nvidia Build comes in. Not another build tool, but a one-stop platform for actually building AI apps without turning yourself into a full-time DevOps therapist. Think of it as GitHub plus AI Studio and GPU Playground all rolled into one single place. It is Nvidia's platform where you can browse LLMs, vision models, domain-specific NIMs, which is Nvidia Inference Microservices. All of them run instantly in your favorite browser. Not just that, if you wish to connect them to your own apps, you can easily do that via clean APIs. In short, if you want to build something with AI but don't want to become a GPU ops superhero, Nvidia Build is your go-to place. Enough of talking. Let's jump into the demo. Hello everyone, this is Ashish Agarwal and welcome back to Coders Academy. To get started, let's go to build.nvidia.com, create an account. So you sign in to get started. So provide your email ID credentials and get started with the process. Verify your email ID. Now we need to provide the Nvidia Cloud account name. I'm going to provide Coders Academy. You can choose whatever you want. Now we need to verify the account to get the API access. So let's proceed. Provide your phone number and you should be done with the process. Once you create the account, you will be seeing a screen like this, and at the model section you have the ability to see all the use cases, inference providers, and the different kind of publishers of the LLM models along with the GPU types. So let's filter by DeepMind and apply. There are two models by DeepMind over here. Let's see some more changes. Let's add Moonshot AI, DeepSeek AI, and ByteDance. So there you go, apply. So this is how you get to see the models by those providers. If you want, you can also insert a Hugging Face URL and search the models. But before we proceed, let's get the API keys. So here I'm going to generate the API key. You can give a key whatever name that you want and select the expiration duration. Preserve the key and keep it ready for the next part of the assignment. Let's explore the UI more. So you have 160 total models, you can see from here. As we have seen, these are different models from Moonshot AI, Qwen, then Mistral, Qwen, Nvidia, DeepSeek AI, Z.ai. Okay, so let's try and one of the models from this particular UI. So let's filter by Google and Mistral. Okay, so I'll select Google and Mistral. These are the models, 17 models in total. Now I'm just searching for a simple model that we can use for our trial. So I'll select Gemma 2B IT. So my prompt is going to be explain transformers in simple terms. And we have started getting the response instantly. So if you go through it, transformers are like super smart translators that can do this for any language. Understanding the input, learning the patterns, predicting the output, generating the output, and then think of it like an input is cat sat on mat, transformer reads a sentence. Why are transformers so powerful? You can pause the video and go through it in detail. If you wish, you can also take a look at the code. So you have an example for a Python code there. It is very similar to the examples that we have been using throughout this channel. So this is an example from OpenAI. We will use a slightly different version in our programming assignment in the next section. You have an example from LangChain, Node.js and Shell as well. In this section, let's try a Python example. So we'll start with the usual project setup. So we need two libraries, request and python.env. So we'll verify the PyProject.toml file and then create a .env file to store the Nvidia API key from the earlier section. Now we are going to change the code in main.py and add this following code. So we have the imports to start with, then we read the API key. The model that we are using is Nemotron 3 Nano 30 billion parameters A3B by Nvidia. So if you go to the Nvidia screen, this is the models where we'll search for that. So this is the model. So I'm just going to that, view the code for that model here. So you can see this is the base URL, the API key. That's how we create the API URL over here. It's slightly different than the model ID along with the other tunable configurable parameters. So you have to part the API key as the authorization bearer token, the model ID and the messages with the role as system and user, temperature values, maximum tokens and the rest of the code to print the response. So we'll go to terminal and we'll try to run this code using uv run main.py. So we have got an error. So it basically is an error on line number 28 where the way in which we are getting the response and the way we are printing is not consistent. So we'll quickly take a look at that. So the change is basically to change the value as 0th value, and that's how you'll be able to read. We'll try again. And this time we are getting a status 200 but response is none. So I'm not sure why that is happening. So when I look at the code here, there is a value called stream equal to true. So let's try to pass that parameter as well and give it a try again. Okay, now there is a whole lot of errors that we're getting. I'm not sure why that is happening. Let me try to remove that and see if we get a prior state. Oh, strangely now I directly get the response without any change on my side. I'm not sure why this has happened, but you have started getting the response about what is a transformer. In this section, let's try the blueprint feature. So I'm going to go to the blueprint section and see if we can make use of any of this launchable mod blueprints from here. So I'm going to use the first one, vulnerability analysis for container security. So rapidly identify and mitigate container security vulnerabilities with generative AI. So here it has given a particular container type and specific CVE IDs that you can test it against. So I'm going to use a custom CVE 2024 12345. So let's run that. Okay, so we have got the response back. So based on the provided checklist, the site is not actively used, or rather the component is not actively used within the container, particularly with regards to the interactions. Additionally, the code base does not contain any usage of the arguments in this. Basically, there is no vulnerability of that kind in the image. So you can also take a look at the blueprint card here. So use case description, where it can be used, the CVE database acceleration, generative AI can be used to improve the vulnerability detection, the architecture diagram, So if you wish, you can pause the video and go through it. It contains a lot of sub agents to find out the answer. Included NIM and other software is the Llama 3.1 instruct model along with Nvidia's Nemo. Okay, now let's go to the next section, which is the NIM. In the NIM you can see Llama instruct and Nvidia embed QA E5 V5. Any other related component is also mentioned in the next section. This is another example of the blueprint. So there it was, Nvidia Build explained with its features and a few demos. To wrap it up, Nvidia Build isn't magic, but it is the closest thing we have got right now. It gives you models, GPUs, pre-built blueprints so you can focus on building things that matter instead of managing the infrastructure and all the plumbing. So if you ever thought, I wish building AI apps were this easy, maybe it's time to log into build.nvidia.com. Pick a blueprint and make your GPU obsessed future self proud. If you have enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video and sharing it with your friends. Let me know in the comments what's the first app you'd build using Nvidia Build. Thank you so much for watching.